Hello, kids. Welcome to your favorite stories channel, Tams Imagination, where magical bedtime stories begin. Once upon a time, in a bright pink palace, there lived a kind and gentle princess named Noor. She had shiny dresses, soft toys, and a garden full of flowers, but still, she often felt lonely. Her days were quiet, and no one laughed or played with her. One sunny morning, Princess Noor was sitting near her window when a tiny, colorful butterfly flew in. But the butterfly looked sad, its wings were dusty, and it moved very slowly. Oh dear, said the princess softly, are you alright? The butterfly sat on her hand and whispered, I got lost. My garden is far away and I have no energy to fly. The princess felt her heart melt. Don't worry, she said. You are safe here. Princess Noor rushed to the kitchen and brought a drop of honey on a spoon. She also picked some fresh flowers from her garden and placed them near the butterfly. Here, rest and eat, she said with a smile. The butterfly slowly sipped the honey and began to glow with the happiness. After some rest, the butterfly fluttered its wings. Thank you, kind princess, it said. Now I can fly home. Noor opened the palace's gates, and the butterfly flew into the sky with a twirl of joy. The next morning, something magical happened. Dozens of butterflies came fluttering into the garden, and the same butterfly had returned with friends. They flew around Noor, dancing and making her giggle. From that day, the pink palace was no longer lonely. Noor had new friends, butterflies, flowers, sunshine, and laughter. And she learned something important. When you share kindness, it always finds its way back to you. And that's the end of today's story, kids. Hope you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow with another magical bedtime story. Good night.